Hey, what is up, Flamingo Squad? It's your boy, Flamingo, and in today's video, we're going to be testing out the PYRO KIT for level 50 in the Battle Pass. And yeah, it is ×2 XP weekend, which means I'm going to grind like crazy, and I already have, and I'm level 50, and that guy's Thanos. So yeah, also this brand new Killer Shark merch, if you have not noticed, I am wearing it right now. It looks pretty drippy, let's be honest here. And yeah. With this kit, we can buy a flamethrower, obviously, and it costs 2 emeralds, so we're going to go do that. This is totally not my third attempt to record this video, maybe not my fourth either. It's called Raging, my guy, okay? Not sure if you've heard of it, but like... Okay, yeah, we need to get these emeralds over here, because, like, if I get the emeralds, I can get the flamethrower, and then it can be, like, so epic, and stuff, yeah, stuff. So, yeah, I need 2 emeralds for this thing. It's harder than you think, honestly. like, okay, yeah, 2 emeralds. It may sound pretty easy, but, like, it's actually kind of hard. Thomas the Twain. I swear that's my emerald, my guy. Yeah, take that. I mean, I know it's my teammate, but, like, this is, like, first try flamethrower, and, like, earlier today, like, it was so hard to get the flamethrower, and, like, so hard to get this kit, and, like, 2 times XP weekend, so that will help a lot. The kit's coming out today, the new kit, definitely very excited for that. The new Piggy Battle Pass came out, so I might even make a video on that, or actually I did, but it's called iPad storage, so, like, it didn't save. It was, like, actually a really good video, too. I hate when I make such a good video on mobile. That's why I don't record on mobile anymore. Because it can just randomly, my iPad storage can just randomly do its thing. So yeah, now we got the flamethrower. Yeah, now we can just burn the tree. I go kind of slow with this thing, but like, yeah, still flamethrower. Wait, my sprint, dude. You suck if you use this kit. You kind of suck. Not gonna lie, dude. Stop. Can I break this? Can I break this cannon? This cannon does not deserve to live. We don't like cannons here. Yeah. 5. We're gonna place this cannon trolling in Roblox Bedwars with a flamethrower. Yeah. I don't know what part this is. We've been trolling in Roblox Bedwars, but like, yeah. Sure. Yeah, I kind of just ruined this guy's cannon over here. Really sorry, my G, but like, dude, flamethrower this guy. Flamethrower you. Wait. Can I actually run pretty fast? Wait, can I run fast with this? It doesn't make a difference, dang it. Okay, so, this flamethrower, it's known to be pretty OP, and I want to see it for myself. So far, it's kind of garbage, but, like, I'm pretty sure it's good, because apparently you can upgrade this thing. How do I do it? X? Whoa, that's actually pretty cool. Okay, this is a pretty good kit, because I spent so much time into this thing. But if you went a little bit faster, it'd be a lot more appreciative. This flamethrower is kind of OP. It looks like it is kind of OP. But, I just need to test this out and get some embers apparently to upgrade this. Kill him! Flame him! Flame the guy! Dude, I need to flame him. Dude. Yeah, flame you! Yeah, got you. Did I get an emerald? I did! What do I do with this thing? X. Fire damage! Yeah! Now I can do more damage. Oh, that's actually sick. The animations on this thing. How much damage does it do now? Whoa! Okay, 1 damage. Well, he has iron armor, so, like, that's kind of, like, believable. Go kill him, Bacon Hair. Yeah, go kill him. If you don't kill him, you're bad. Okay? Jeez, does that guy reach access to him? He was like, how did that guy actually die? Like, I don't know. So we need to get embers here. And some blocks. And I know how we're supposed to do that. We're supposed to flame someone and send our team over to go kill them. And 30v30 is so easy to get emeralds because everyone's just focused on killing the other team and not on the emeralds. You see how it works? Yeah, I wish you could actually buy embers for emeralds. It kind of makes sense. Emerald, you know. But seriously, look at this flamethrower. Like, dude, like the animation, it's so sick. Like, I just love this kit. But like the flamethrower, like it might need to be buffed a little bit, but I have not tried it fully upgraded. If I can just burn a bunch of people, Hey, yo, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? You wanna get burned? Yeah! Oh! You get burned! Okay, 3x, ooh, flame range! That seems cool! Yeah, we need flame range, yeah! Okay, gosh, okay, burn him up. Yeah, okay, did we get him? Did we get an ember for that? I'm not sure. Oh, okay, my guy placed a Tesla coil trap there. But yeah, this looks good. Dude, what's your problem? Why are all these blocks here? Let me actually take some time out of my day to destroy these. Yeah, we're going to be trolling with this flamethrower over here. Just destroy these blocks. Yeah, that's really all we need. Yeah, this is going to be like the new dream weapon for me. Speed run! Flamethrower. Yeah. What's the other thing I can upgrade it with? Fire damage, flame range, and brittle attack damage. Whoa. I don't know what that is, but it sounds pretty sick. Okay. So we have to like attack these flame you! Get flamed! I flamed him. Now if he dies, I'll get an ember. I need to flame someone else now. I flamed him. Yeah, die. Please die. I flamed you. You need to get flamed. Yeah, get flamed. Ooh, yes, an ember. Okay, now I need one more so I can upgrade. Can I actually drop these? If I can drop these, that would be so sad. No, okay, wait, actually I do kind of want to drop them, like, put them somewhere safe, but, like, I guess that makes sense. I need to flame one more person. Oh, oops, I didn't mean to use my flamethrower there. Okay, but we need to flame one more person, so I can get myself a second ember. This is such a cool kit. Like, I like how it works. I just wish you could move at normal speed with a flamethrower. Like, look how slow you go when you move. I mean, I know it used to be, like, you couldn't move at all. Like, you just, like this is obviously, like, so much better. I need to flame someone. But when you die, you don't get the ember, apparently. And when you die, you lose your embers. I don't really think that's fair, though. I feel like you should keep your embers if you die. Yeah, come rush with me. Ooh, let me flame this guy. This guy looks bad. Did we get him? Dude, where's my ember? Where's my ember? Oh, gosh. He's bow spamming. Run. We don't like bow spammers. Run! Dude, this thing needs to work. Did I get a second ember? Because I flamed the guy. I need to find a blue man. Oh, no, he's not a blue man. I feel like everyone in Iron Armor is kind of like a blue man. I don't know why. Blue is more on this side because their base is over here, so I'm actually going to cross over the line and see if I can just give them a little flame. Flame! I totally flamed that guy. Yes! I got it. Brittle attack damage. Yeah, I hope that's good. I really hope that's good. What is that called again? Yeah, brittle attack damage. Okay. I want to see if it's really good. I just spray these guys. Yeah, you think that's gonna stop you from my flamethrowerness? Oh, I got an ember. Oh, dang it. I wish you could like upgrade while you died. Like that'd be pretty cool. But I guess, yeah, I know. I'm not the best with this kit, but yeah, like this is a pretty good kit. Like it's good though. He is diamond armor. Oh, that's a Thomas guy from before. I've just been like all worked up about this flamethrower, and like I haven't really been focusing on armor that much. I probably should focus on armor a little bit more. We've upgraded everything once. I wonder what the max is. Is there like a, yeah, there's sure to be a max upgrade. It's probably like 10 or something. So you need to like grind these embers. Does it actually show? Tier 1. So oh gosh, someone's bow spamming. No. Oh, flame. No, dang it. I need to like find out how good the flamethrower can be. I want to see a fully maxed out flamethrower because I don't think it's on YouTube. And we still have to make a video about Raven and Spirit Catcher. I know, but I won like a 2v1 with Spirit Catchers. Like that means it's really good. Yeah, we're definitely doing Spirit Catcher again today. Or I might actually put it into this video. Or nah, this is about the flamethrower. This is like I don't know how I feel about this kit. Like if it went a little faster, this would be a really powered kit. And the flamethrower did like ×3 the damage. And okay, new favorite kit, but like flame these guys, flame you, flame. I did 0 damage. It literally did 0 damage. Oh my god. The flamethrower kind of sucks, not gonna lie. Come on. I need to get some embers here. Is anyone gonna help me? Maybe me and my friend could do like doubles, and I could like flame everyone, and you could just kill them. Yeah, and I could get my embers. Do I have to flame them to get embers? I'm not sure. But like, they have so much better stuff than me. I need to like work on getting some emeralds. Hey, I see a blue man. I see a blue man. Let me actually go ahead and flame this guy. Am I flaming him? Yeah, I think I'm flaming him. Just in case, let me actually try to flame him again. Or her. Sorry for gender. I just assume everyone's a him sometimes. Winning smile, man. Give me that. I'm surprised I haven't broken our bed yet. I need embers though. Like that's what I really need. Oh gosh, a guy. No, throw. They did break the bed. Oh, they broke it right as I fell. That's so funny. Hey, watch this. I'm gonna troll these guys so bad. This is trolling Roblox bedwars. Hi. These guys are probably so mad now because like they're not gonna get any XP from that. Oh my gosh, I feel kind of bad. Not gonna lie. I wish you went in the same server as those guys so like I could see them rage. Just like, oh my god, this guy sucks. But yeah. If we go into the locker, let me actually equip my stuff here. Kill effects. I don't know what Ascend is, but I'm gonna use confetti for now. In titles, I'm obviously going to have to use sus. I think that's good. I wish kits were in the lockers, like so you didn't have to equip them from like the shop. Kits. Yeah, that's the pyro kit. Still have to make a video about Raven and like Spirit Catcher and like I don't really feel like making a video on this kit. Like this kit is kind of garbage. Plus you've already seen him in a video, and oh yeah, Bounty Hunter. He's kind of old. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys have any more video ideas for me besides like if you want me to try the flamethrower kit again, I can. But yeah, that's it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.